Hey guys, welcome to our channel Shorthand Dictation with Neha. So today we start the dictation for the beginners within 5 seconds. Start. The language of the young barrister in the case was most statedly, and it must have influenced both judge and jury. Full stop. It almost looked as if the case was lost at the first because of the claim why in which the opposing counsel set out to state the facts for his side. Full stop. But the young barrister faced the test fairly, and his language and style, though different, showed him to be master of law and logic. Full stop. We shall watch him career at the bar, and we think he must succeed because of his abilities. Full stop. Thank you.